Hello friends, welcome to my channel Civil Engineers Universe. Today I have brought some information about modern construction machineries. It's very important to know about these, especially they ask about them in Dubai interviews. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and hit the bell icon for updates. This machinery is compact utility equipment transforms material management in construction environments. The future of construction and 3D printing. 3D printing is changing construction. It's faster, more efficient, allows for cool designs, saves money by reducing waste, offers customization, is sustainable, and needs fewer workers. It's definitely the future of building. The video highlights the process of straightening old rebars with advanced machinery, allowing for the repurposing of these materials in various low-risk applications. Proper concrete compaction is very important to make concrete strong, long-lasting and smooth. Channel vibrators are useful machines that help do this, especially in precast work and large concrete projects. BubbleTech Slab. BubbleTech Slab is an innovative flooring solution that incorporates hollow plastic spheres within a steel framework, allowing for a reduction in weight while maintaining structural integrity. This cutting edge approach not only enhances material efficiency but also lowers the slab's weight by as much as 35%. HP Site Print Technology. HP Site Print is an advanced robotic layout solution designed to automate the site layout process in construction projects. It precisely prints architectural layouts directly onto the floor slab, replacing manual chalk lines or tape measures. BAMTech on-site advantages: saves time, speeds up construction, cuts material costs, better quality, safe and easier work.